Hey everyone, I thought I'd make a quick post here, give everybody an update on a little project I did, just wrapping up on the 87 T-top. Turn my key on here, just give us a little more light. I know it's going to be dark, and I kind of need it to be for the video, and you'll see why here in a second. But my winter project's been putting in this 417 Fox radio plate, rerouting the HVAC, getting a different new double din Alpine in here, and rerunning a lot of RCAs and speaker wires into the back of the hatch. Since I had everything tore apart, I decided I would kind of add a little bit of flair to the interior. You can see I've got the TMI Mach 1 seats and door panels here, but what I decided to do was put a red LED light strip in under the pad on the armrest. I took all the armrest apart, and double-sided tape and a few staples. I've got this LED light strip sitting in underneath the pad, and it's sandwiched in between it and that little chrome trim strip that's in there from the factory in that little recess. So I did that on both sides. I'll open my door real quick so you can get a better look at that. And I also ran some red LED lights into the footwells. You can see the courtesy lights still work when you open your door, but there's also another LED in there, the same general location. So if you look down the center console, I've put a toggle switch, and when you turn that on, you've got red ambient lighting in the footwells and along the armrest of the doors. I thought, my opinion anyway, that's pretty cool. Newer cars have ambient lighting when you're driving at night, but the Foxbodies don't, other than the map light, I guess. So you might be wondering why I did a toggle switch. The original plan was just to run wiring in behind the dash and into the doors and then down under the center console, and I was going to tap into the mirror switch. And I thought when I turn the car on, that'll get power. The lights will come on automatically. When I turn the car off, they'll go off. What I didn't realize till I was almost finished and ready to hook up the power is that the mirror switch is constant power. I knew the cigarette lighter would be, didn't realize the mirror was. I don't know why it's important enough to be able to move your mirrors when the car's off, because you can see when I take the key out, I can still flip that toggle switch and they still come on. Crazy to me. So that's why I ended up doing a toggle switch, so I could turn them on and off. If I had it to do all over again, I would have just ran the power to the fuse box and ground up there and spliced in somewhere where it would come on and off automatically with a switched power instead of constant. But anyway, that's what it is. As long as my toggle switch is there, I can turn that stuff on and off. I think it's pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you later.